back to a beautiful day in Arizona. Sun is shining, great. But this video isn't about scooters. You can probably tell from the thumbnail and the title. It's actually about my car. And I want to talk more about that. We're gonna ride here first, so don't click off yet. We're gonna ride, but I want to introduce cars into the videos. And like, not just my car, and also like supercars, like McLaren Sennas and other cars like that. If you don't know what that is, I'll show you. But we're gonna get in the riding, so let's go. All right, now we're on the GoPro, and we're honestly just gonna chill and ride. We're not really gonna do much. We're gonna hang out, and then we'll get into the main portion about this video, what I did to my car. All right, so
you guys
Michael,
film
go
this?
away.
Can you film me?
No.
Can you guys film this?
No.
All right, right over there. Come on, guys.
Go.
Guys, just one more.
One more try, then I'm continuing my video. Now, this isn't even about scooters.
Just one more try?
Yeah, one more, go.
Just one more?
Go now.
Just one more.
Go. No, why are you holding up 3 fingers?
One more.
No, go. Michael,
one
go.
more?
No.
Okay.
All right, last try, Michael.
I thought I had 10 more.
No. You suck. You suck. Nope. Yeah, totally.
That was me landing?
Yeah. Good job, Michael. You wasted our time. I didn't know how that was gonna go. I just wanted it to go some way.
Yeah, clearly. It went just the way you wanted it to.
Kind of wanted it to like weave. I touched it enough. Triple. We're gonna 360 T-bog, then heel whip back. 3 T-bog. There we go. Heel whip. There we go. Triple whip. Oh, it hit the coping. 3 T-bog. Heel. Triple up. There we go.
All right, guys, let's film.
Why are you always in my face?
Let's film a clip
I didn't
of
talk
the Euro,
about. I want to ride the Euro.
Yeah,
I didn't even talk about riding the Euro yet.
Okay, cool.
You're gonna back me up?
Here we go. You're good.
You're gonna back me up?
No.
What?
You're backing me up because I want to ride the Euro first. No. There's no fucking way.
I went over the Euro. I went over the box. Go.
Yes. Oh no, wild Roman. I love that.
Oh. All right, he's doing bar bri apparently. Cool. The ground's a little slippery, Michael. So we're gonna do double heel, and then we're gonna do double heel and then 360 off.
Really?
Yeah, really.
Okay, how much are you lying?
A lot.
Can you double?
I didn't 3 off. I got a 3 off. Double heel 3 off. Oh, I messed up. Oh. All right, I can still get that. I'm going so fast though. My bad.
Oh, you're good.
Double heel. There we go. All right, let's go talk about my car. As you can see, we're driving my car, so that doesn't mean I ruined it in this aspect. It still drives. I have one light, but that's like a temperature gauge light, but that doesn't really matter. But basically, we're gonna go to a spot, and I'm gonna show you what I did. Look at this crazy Lamborghini Aventador. Just so sick. Just absolutely crazy. Look at that. It sounds so loud. It's so mint. If you don't know, I film these all the time. Oh my God. He's barely stepping on it too. It sounds so amazing. So nice. Just look at it. sound of the roaring V12 is just so cool. It's so cool. Look, he just shot a massive flame. Such a beautiful car. And he's still going. Oh my God. Such a nice car. Such an amazing car. Love that car. Love the Aventador. The sound of them is just on par with anything else. All right, we're gonna go talk about my car now, which is not as exciting as a Lamborghini Aventador. So let's go. So I ruined my car by putting a sick ass wing on it. I didn't ruin it at all. Not at all. And we're gonna do a sick edit of it. So let's do it. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that. Hope you enjoyed that edit. I know it's a different video, but if you want to see more cars, not scootering, more cars, I will put it in the video. You guys just got to let me know. But not just my car, not just Roman's car. We'll also film high-end supercars if you want me to. Let me know down below. But thank you guys for watching.